How to use Telegram web on mobile. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can use the Telegram web on mobile. So using the Telegram web on your mobile device is a great way to access your message and interact with your contact. So if you don't prefer to use the app, so here's the process how you can use the Telegram web on your mobile device. Launch the browser, open up your web browser or the Google Chrome on your mobile device such as Safari, Firefox or Google Chrome. And you have to navigate to the source icon and search for the web.com.telegram here. Once you are here you can see the Telegram web. Just tap on that. So here on your Telegram web, you can see that you have to log into your account. So on my Telegram web, I have been successfully logged into your account. So if you find the QR code on the Telegram web, you have to open up your Telegram app on your mobile device. Go to your setting on your Telegram app and you have to tap on the device, select the scan a QR code and point your phone camera at the QR code of the Telegram web page to log in. And you have to verify the login there. And here you can see that by using this step, you can effectively use the Telegram web on your mobile device and access all your Telegram features from your browser. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.